Welcome to presentation tip number 48. Are you looking to improve your presentation skills? Practice. Take advantage of opportunities for public speaking in your personal and professional life. Whether it's presenting your ideas in a meeting at work, speaking at a PTA meeting, or simply telling a story to a group of friends at a party. Use each opportunity for public speaking as a chance to improve your skills. Afterwards, take stock of your performance and decide what you would like to improve on the next time around.